Hey, what's happening, everyone? This is Luis Rivera on another how-to video. I got inspired by another YouTuber. I believe his name is White in Reverie. He made a charging station which was pretty neat, and I said, you know what? I gotta do something similar. Mine is not gonna look exactly like his. I mean, no way beans at all. But I know that I have a setup. These are pretty much some of the tools that you're gonna need. Stud finder, if you have wood, tape measure, drill. I'm making holes, which I already did. I'm about to show you guys. You see there's some holes right there, because I'm gonna make mine's long ways instead of back to back or side to side. So I'm gonna use, I think these are quarters, where I will, because like I said, I don't have no wood in the background, so in the back of this wall right here. So I'm gonna use these instead of this, where you would normally, this comes with the package with these pegboards. This is not wood, it's like a metal frame. But yeah, let's see how we continue on and see what steps we need to do to make this happen. Follow for more, guys. Also, it's very inexpensive. I will put all the descriptions, like all the materials, things that I wanted to use to make this happen. Link, it will be in the description below, like piece by piece. This is like very inexpensive. It does all add up when you do the final total, but I mean, like I said, it will give you that peace of mind to charge everything, not have to worry about, oh, if this battery's charged or not. Like I said, I got bins, I got USBs, I got, a little light just for effects, aesthetics, some baskets, and some stands. Again, over here I have like some little bolts, just still haven't used, not sure what to use that for yet, but, and of course I have the surge that I'll put on it. The other YouTuber, he had his strip behind it, to hide all the wires. I get that, but unfortunately, due to this right here, it's not gonna really make it happen. And again, I'm just gonna use what I got and just keep it. I'm not really trying to hide everything. It's just, just want a charging station. So if you guys are in the market to do something like this, then definitely we'll keep going on and I'll show you the process. So these are some of the things that I want to charge in the charging station, like my Nikon. I used to have more bodies, but now that I sold some of them just to, get the newer equipment, so now I have less. But in the future, I will have more stuff to charge, so I will definitely add them later on. But for right now, I just got, like, for my Nikon Z6, Z50, Godox 8600, 8200, I believe, and the DJI Mavic Pro. Yes, the Mavic Pro. And that's about it for now. So this is my ideal setup. I thought about having the Godox 8600, the 8200 Pro, some of my batteries, where you can see some USBs on that block right there. And then also my DJI Mavic, I would have it on top, battery placeholders. And I guess there's gonna be some room for other future things. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but this is at least the vision. I have my Nikon batteries that I can just put them in charge. I can take them with me in case I need to do for a wedding, and just keep moving on and keep going forward with this. So the final product, right? Not too shabby. Before you guys get at me with the LED lights, yes, I know this is overlapping right here. There's two. I'm gonna cut that on later on. I'm not gonna do it just yet. I'm pretty tired for today. Been working on a lot of projects, and there's some cable coming out. I forgot to order Velcro straps to, for example, this, my USB, and then for my Nikon batteries. I meant to stick that on there, but for right now, I'm just putting on trays on it. But guys, it's not that hard. Like I said, I'll have all the items listed on the description below. That way you guys can order them directly to Amazon. You guys don't have to keep looking for other parts and pieces. Just the basics. That way you guys can be ahead of the game. And then that way you guys can do your own. I would love for you guys to tag me on charging stations you guys have or done, and show me a little something. I would love to see it. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Please give that subscribe, like, comment, and yeah. Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.